Are your sticky notes not syncing across your Windows devices? In this tutorial, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix syncing problems so your notes stay updated wherever you sign in. First, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account on every device. Open Sticky Notes, select the Settings menu, and confirm that your account is connected. If you're signed out, sign back in and allow the app a few moments to sync. Sticky Notes needs an active internet connection to synchronize your notes. Open a website or run another online app to confirm your connection is working properly. If you're having network issues, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or restart your router. Next, open the Microsoft Store and check for updates. So install the latest version of Sticky Notes, then check Windows Update for any available system updates. Running the newest software often fixes sync issues. If syncing still isn't working, go to Settings, then Apps, find Sticky Notes, open Advanced Options and choose Repair. If the problem continues, you can try Reset. Just remember that locally stored app settings may be cleared, so it's best if your notes have already been synced. As a final step, sign out of Sticky Notes, close the app completely, reopen it, and sign back in using the same Microsoft account. This refreshes the connection and often restores synchronization between devices, and that's how to fix sticky notes when they're not syncing. In most cases, checking your Microsoft account, updating the app, or signing in again resolves the issue. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and thanks for watching.